channel. Back in the kitchen again, showing you how I prepare my salmon fish. Yeah, this is not raised salmon, this is the wild salmon, the sea salmon. Yes guys, I'm going to show you how I scrape off the scale off and take off some of the rawness off of the salmon. And sometimes I put some vinegar on it and the lemon. So I'm going to show you how to prepare your salmon that it don't smell raw. Yes, and the salmon is not like, you know, the snapper them with their Jamaica, or the, you know, the Dr. fish and them kind of fish there with their Jamaica. Salmon is very soft kind of fish, if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to just scrape it off. Yeah, to get it ready to cook. I'm going to start scrape it off. Scrape off the scale. What I'm doing here, I'm just scaling off the scale of the salmon fillet. Yes. Is on it, you can see. Yeah, and when you look at the salmon, trust me, I can't look at the salmon without the scale. So you have to just try and get rid of them. So what I'm about to do is to cut my lemon and preparing my 2 lemon I'm using just to get the rawness of the salmon fillet. Yes guys, that's what I'm doing. I'm getting my water ready. So I'm putting the lemon in the water, squeezing out all the juice, lemon juice out of the lemon in the water. So I'm gonna put in my salmon fillet in the bowl and just rinse it out with the water and the lemon. I'm just slicing up the salmon fillet. Yes, slicing them up in equal size so that I can get to wash them off properly and season them up after. Yes, that's what I'm doing now, to put them in the lemon water. So yes guys, what I finished rinse them off with my lemon water. Yes, so what I'm doing now, I'm just putting them back on my cutting board just to season them up. Yes, so I'm gonna season up some and just take out just a little to cook right after. So guys, I just add in this is a natural herb season I buy here in Alaska. I'm gonna add some Maggi fish season and some pepper flakes. Okay guys, so that's what I'm doing right now. Yes, so season up the fish, the salmon fillet. So guys, I'm bagging them out now to put them in the freezer. Yes, so I'm ready for them again. They are seasoned. Them seasoned up and ready to cook. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm just taking out some, just leaving out a few to prepare it right after this video. Yes guys, so thank you so much for watching. Big up for yourself and happy new year to you all. And thanks for all my new subscriber and all my old subscriber. Big up on yourself and God bless you all, and please share, comment and subscribe. If you don't subscribe to my channel, big up, bless you.